to make a vlog. It's birthday vlog, glow vlog. So what I do for my glow up. So I'm just going to share with you guys. I saw many bloggers glow up videos, so what they do for their birthdays. So I mean, everyone is different, so me as well as different. So I'm just going to make it myself to glow up. So first I'm going to cut my hair. So you know, the hair on 4 months before I just trim myself my hair in home itself. So adukaprom long I mean so yeah, I really want to make it very different look, try pandalan. So look, these are the okay. So என்னோட hairக்கு mainly like bangs கொடுப்பேன் because என்னோட hair I mean என்னோட face வந்து like head வந்து கொஞ்சம் பெருசு. So I just give every time bangs கொடுக்கிறது எனக்கு பிடிக்கும். So yeah, I really want to make it bangs for my hair and I just chop like this. It's my wish, but it's not workout means I just want to style it like at least like this. So இது என்ன hair style na ஒரு இதுக்கு I mean இப்போ ட்ரெண்டிங்கா இருக்கிற 90s volumized னு சொல்லி நிறைய hair cut videos பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். லைக் ரொம்ப volumized கொடுக்கிற மாதிரியும் லைக் ஷார்ட்டா இருக்கிற மாதிரியும் videos பார்த்தேன். So I really love that style. So yeah, volumized 90s style ஒரு haircut choose பண்ணேன்.
Two hours later.
Nah.
600 na vandrom.
Okay.
The next day.
Hi, I'm done my haircut. So yeah, finally I wish this year I want to cut my hair for my birthday. So finally I did my haircut. So என்னோட haircut வந்து like two ways நான் style I mean cut பண்ணனும்னு நினைச்சேன். So this length and this length. So இதுக்காக நான் ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன் வச்சிருந்தேன். என்னோட ஃபேமிலில இந்த ஆப்ஷன் விடல. So that's why I just cut my length to this. And I'm just
many hours later.
Done my makeup and my clothes. I'm just going to make a photo shoot with this outfit. So let's see how it's turned out.
Much later.
Hi. So I'm done my photo shoot. So I'm just having my herbal tea. So the kudichu mudichittu I'm just going to wash my face and I'm just going to wear it a face mask. So give me a 5 minutes more and I'll just finish my tea. Okay, I'm done my photo shoot, so I'm not so yeah guys, I'm done my photo shoot. I'm not really satisfied with that shoot, but anyway I just tried out. I'll show with you guys. And so now I'm just going to remove my makeup, completely remove my makeup with face wash, and I'm just going to put a face mask. So after a really long time I'm just going to wear a face mask. So I'll show with you guys. Just now I'm just going to wash my face with a face wash. So
much later.
So I'm done my face wash after a face mask. So now I'm just going to wear aloe vera gel. That's my moisturizer. So I'm just going to wear a moisturizer and I'm just going to wear a lip balm. That's it.